Also, quickly before the video starts, be sure to follow my socials. I'll put them down below. So like follow my Instagram and add me on Snapchat and we can become friends. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Hi guys, there's something in my eye. Hi guys, what's up? I'm Isabella Grace. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know what I'm saying. Oh, my butt. So I filmed this video yesterday and then I didn't like how it came out, so I'm filming it again. So today I'm doing a natural glowy makeup tutorial. So if you want to wear makeup but not a lot and look really glowy, then this video is for you, so keep on watching. I'm sitting on the floor again because I just like how it turns out when I'm sitting on the floor and the angle's good and I look skinny. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows, and I'm not filling them in or anything. I'm just taking hair gel and I'm brushing it through my eyebrows. So this is the eyebrow with some gel in it, and then this eyebrow doesn't have any gel. And this is like super easy. You can like finish your makeup with this, like what I do, in like 15 minutes or like 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna just conceal a little bit, like the bottom. Just a little bit. I know this is supposed to be natural, but I just want my eyebrows to be more defined. So I lost my favorite eyebrow like concealer brush and I'm really upset. I don't know where it went. I really don't. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and then this random brush. Oh, that was out of focus the whole time. Okay, well, I just concealed them a little bit just on the bottom. I have like 4 pimples right now and I'm really like not having it. 1, 2, 3, 4 pimples. What the heck? So after eyebrows is face makeup. So I'm gonna prime my face first just to have a clean base for my makeup. And then I'm gonna take this one. Both of these sticks are from Milk Makeup. And I'm gonna blend this into my skin with my hands, or just rub it in. Ooh, this pimple on my nose hurts, like really bad. Now we're gonna go on to the base makeup for your face and stuff. I'm gonna be using 3 things. This is the Maybelline concealer, Cover FX drops, and then this concealer from NYX that's like darker than my skin tone, and I'm using this for like contour. So I take these drops and I put them like little dots around my face. Oh, I just put so much on this side. I just put them around my face like this, and now I'm taking my concealer and I'm putting them just under my eyes, and then I put little dots of concealer around my face just so it blends in. And now I'm taking the concealer that is darker than my skin tone and I'm putting it where I would contour. So right here and right here, and then I'm gonna put a little bit on my forehead. Now I blend it out with my beauty blender. I need to put my hair up so it's out of the way. So I'm just using this beauty blender, and yeah. So at first it looks a little weird, but you just have to like trust the process and it will come together in the end. Okay, so I finished blending out everything, but I just use cream products when I'm trying to do natural makeup so it looks more natural, and I actually look a lot tanner. Actually, I'm gonna keep my hair up. I have 2 highlighters that I'm gonna use, but first I'm gonna put on some blush. I don't have a blush that I like using, so I use an eyeshadow palette. I use this color right here. I'm gonna put a little bit of blush on my nose and then right here, just for more of like a sun-kissed look. And I don't set my face with powder or anything when I'm doing this. And then I'm gonna put it into my cheeks a little bit. Moving on, I'm gonna put on highlight. So I have this Milk Makeup stick highlighter, and I'm gonna warm it up on my hand, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of it on my cheekbones. And this just gives a really natural highlight, but if you're like me and you really love highlight, you can add like powder highlight, which is what I'm gonna do. So I'm taking my Amarize highlighter from Anastasia. This highlighter is just so pretty, like look at that. I forgot to contour my nose, but I don't really think I need to today. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of highlight on my nose. So now I'm gonna add some fake freckles. I do this just because I like the way it looks on me, even though I don't have natural freckles. I just think it looks so cute. I'm taking this palette, it's the Soft Glam palette, and I'm taking this little spoolie. I'm gonna take it and dip it into the shade Rustic and then put on the fake freckles. And to make freckles look more natural, you put them everywhere because freckles aren't really focused in one place. They're more scattered. So I'm just putting them all around my face. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and then blend them in. And then I take my finger and just blend them in a little bit. And now we're gonna do my lashes. I don't curl my lashes just because when I curl them it makes my lashes go straight, like they don't curl like they usually do. So sometimes I curl my lashes just if I'm wearing Vaseline, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna put on a little bit of mascara, and I use the Total Temptation mascara by Maybelline. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of it on. I just put on a little bit, you can barely tell. It just kind of makes my eyelashes look darker, that's all. And now it's on to lips, which is the last thing. So now I'm taking some Vaseline, and this is for rosy lips. Now I'm going to take some lip gloss. I'm taking clear lip gloss, and I'm just going to put that on top of the Vaseline. I'm just using my finger because I don't want to stain the brush pink. And then I'm gonna take this pink lip gloss and I'm just gonna put a little bit of it on. Oh my god, excuse me. That was disgusting. So this is the natural glowy makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this helped you if you needed some like ideas or tips on how to do glowy makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed, but if you are new, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on my post notification bell for notifications every single time I post. And I hope you are having a great day, or you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!